Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold, which is for the 17th once market opens. By the way, the market is open, so once market opens, this is what we'll be expecting. So make sure you subscribe, click on the notification bell icon so you will not miss any updates. Once I drop an update, you get it instantly. Now this is our trend on gold. We are definitely on a downtrend, but when you zoom it out, you will see that it is dropping. Previously we were trending upward massively, but right now market is dropping. So basically there is a change in trend. Now with this movement, we should see something like this: our low, then the lower high. This is the lower low, then here is the lower high. So our next movement on gold, once market opens, we should be expecting another drop to give us a lower low. If market push up and break high, I'll give you guys the updates on what to do next. So just stay updated and do not miss out on any updates and subscribe.